Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your phone's gallery and picking the clip you'll turn into a short. Once done, check length and trim if needed so it's under 60 seconds. That keeps it eligible. Next, make sure the YouTube app has permission to access your photos or media so uploads come directly from gallery. If you haven't signed in, do that now. This gets the basic items out of the way quickly and moves you straight into the upload process without delays. Open YouTube and tap the plus button, then choose Create and Upload from Gallery. Select the trimmed clip you prepared. Once loaded, make sure to set vertical aspect or crop to a 9:16 frame so it displays correctly as a short. After framing, use YouTube's editor to add music, captions, text overlays, and adjust speed. These enhance engagement. Also include the word #shorts in the title or description for discoverability. Make those creative edits now, so the video reads. When you're satisfied, choose visibility, public if you want viewers right away, and add a concise description and hashtags. Hit publish and wait for YouTube to process the short. Processing may take a few minutes. Once done, confirm playback from the shorts shelf and share the link or save a local copy if needed. If the upload fails, first verify app permissions to gallery, ensure file size and format are supported, and check your network. Then retry the upload, clearing app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.